That's one reed, right?
Oh my gosh.
If you hit this, you go to all of them, but you can't go back hitting that. It'll just get you to that.
I see,
to all
I
reeds.
see. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wait, I've never had this music. Oh my god, I've never had that sound. This is amazing.
I went through the whole thing and spot tuned it, so I have a nice stroke tuner.
It sounds like one of those French accordions.
Oh yeah.
I've never heard like such a sound from my accordion.
Nice.
Isn't that so cool?
You play very well. I didn't hear you play that much last time. I'm astounded at how well you play, though. Just self-taught. By ear? Or you?
By ear. You know how much he told me this accordion weighs?
How much?
30 pounds! Okay, and fun fact, this is not my size at all, if you can't tell. He was like, this is even heavy for me. Oh god, I'm so sweaty.